Let us solve an interesting question on price elasticity of demand. The question is, if the demand function is x is equal to 8 times e raised power negative bp, where p is the price, x is the quantity demanded, x plus price elasticity of demand, total revenue and marginal revenue as a function of x. Okay, so we have the demand function, quantity demanded is equal to a times e raised power negative bp. Okay, elasticity of demand, we know elasticity of demand is given by the change in the quantity demanded due to the change in the price, and the price upon quantity demanded at that very price. Okay, so what will we do here? So we can take this dx upon dp here. So we have dx upon dp, that is the derivative of this function with respect to price. So dx upon dp of this function will be, so we have a times e raised power minus bp. Okay, so derivative of exponential function is, if we have e raised power nx, its derivative is simply e raised power nx times the derivative of the exponent. So derivative of x is 1 times n here. Okay, likewise here we have this term times dx upon dp of minus bp. Okay, using the chain rule here. So we get a times e raised power minus bp times derivative of p is 1, so we are left with negative b. Since we have to write price elasticity of demand in terms of x, so what will we do to this demand function? Okay, let's take natural log on both sides. So we have ln of x will be equal to, here it will be exponent becomes coefficient minus bp times a times ln of e. So ln of e means 1, so this will be 1, so we will get ln of x is equal to minus a b p times 1. Okay, so solving for price first here, so we will get p will be equal to ln of x upon ab. Okay, here we got dx upon dp, this term. So what will we do? So elasticity of demand will be equal to this term, so we have minus ab, or let's write it like this. So we have minus b times a e raised power minus bp times p is this very term, that is ln of x upon ab, and this is also negative here, divided by x. X is this term a e raised power minus bp. Okay, so this term will get cancelled with this term, so we are left with elasticity of demand will be equal to, so negative into negative is positive, we get ln of x upon ab times this b. So b and b gets cancelled, so elasticity of demand will be equal to ln of x upon a. So this is our elasticity of demand in terms of quantity demanded here. So likewise we have to find out total revenue. As we know, total revenue is simply price into output. Since p we got this very term, so p is ln of x upon ab, okay, times x. Okay, this will be our total revenue here. Likewise, to find out the marginal revenue, we differentiate this very thing. So I don't have space here, I could have explained. I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.